पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ईशावास्य, in this we are seeing the last part of the Upodghata Avataranика, page number 6. The last point that we saw was if a person has understood the real meaning of the word Atma, Atma Yathatmyam, then that person will not have this thought, Sukham me syat, Dukham me ma bhut, in this way. For such thought to happen, Mithya Jnanam is must. Aham iti mithya abhimanatvam mithya jnanam vina na sambhavati ityartha. Okay? Na is there in the beginning of the Vakya. Therefore, further now, last sentence in Tika. Yasmat Atma Yathatmya Prakashaka Mantra न कर्म विधि शेष भूताः न च मानांतर विरुद्धाः तस्मात् प्रयोजनादि मत्वम अपि तेषां सिद्धम इत्याह। यस्मात्, since आत्म याथात्म्य प्रकाशका मंत्राः, those mantras which are आत्म याथात्म्य प्रकाशकस, न कर्म विधि शेष भूताः, these mantras are not part of any karma vidhi. Karma vidhi shesha means karma vidhi is there, one part of it is Atma Yathatmya Prakashaka mantra. Ishavasya mantra is one part of such thing, is not the case. This much is clear? Nacha manantar viruddhaha, and also Atma Yathatmya Prakashaka mantra is not manantar viruddha. No other pramana, pratyaksha, anumana, etc. says that Atma is karta, that Atma is bhokta, that Atma is not sarvagata. Because somebody may think Atma Yathatmya is invalidated or not invalidated, is opposed by pratyakshadi pramana. So the answer is no. Na cha manantar viruddhaha. Through other pramana there is no virodha. So two reasons are given, and therefore their prayojanavatvam etc. is also siddham. Prayojanadi matvam, prayojana, vishaya, adhikari, sambandha. This is also siddham. Prayojanadi matvam tesham siddham. In Bhashya, tasmat. Tasmad ete mantraha आत्मनो याथात्म्य प्रकाशनेन आत्म विषयम स्वाभाविकम अज्ञानम निवर्तयन्तः शोक मोहादि संसार धर्म विच्छित्ति साधनम आत्मैकत्वादि विज्ञानम उत्पादयन्ति. Therefore, these mantras, ete mantraha, Ishavasyaadayo, they are Atmano Yathatmya Prakashanena, what they are doing? They are revealing the true nature of Atma. Atmano Yathatmya Prakashanena Atma Vishayam Swabhavikam Ajnanam Nivartayantah. Atma Vishayam Swabhavikam Ajnanam स्वाभाविक अज्ञानम 1 नंबर टिप्पणी अनादि सिद्धम इत्यर्थः स्वाभाविकम मीन्स स्वभावतः व्हाट इज देयर स्वभावतः जातम स्वाभाविकम सो सिंस व्हेन आई एम इग्नोरेंट ऑफ माई सेल्फ that I am not Brahma or I am Brahma which I am ignorant of from birth. Birth in this life? No, in previous life also I was ignorant. In previous life also I was ignorant. So since when? He says when the creation started, from that time. That is Anadi Siddham. स्वाभाविकम अज्ञानम निवर्तयन्तः निवर्तयन्तः के मंत्राः मंत्राः अज्ञानम निवर्तयन्तः mantras. What do? They remove the अज्ञानम. निवर्तयन्तः मीन्स निवर्तन करते हुए. While removing the ajnanam, what do? शोक मोहादि संसार धर्म विच्छित्ति साधनम आत्मैकत्वादि विज्ञानम उत्पादयन्ति. They produce the knowledge also. They remove ignorance, they produce knowledge. What is that knowledge? Ekatwadi vijnanam. Atma is only one. Atma ekatwadi vijnanam. And that vijnanam is shoka mohadi samsara dharma vichitti sadhanam. That which is the sadhanam means to remove shoka, moha, adi, all samsara dharma, which is already given in the 7th mantra in this Upanishad. Ekatva vijnanam utpadayanti. Now you see 1 number tippani completely. Ajnanam nivartayantaha ityadi तथा च आत्मैकत्वादि 1 number टिप्पणी is there. You see that आत्मैकत्वादि विज्ञानोत्पत्ति ही अज्ञान निवृत्तिश्च. आत्मैकत्वादि विज्ञान उत्पत्ति एंड अज्ञान निवृत्ति. मंत्राणाम अवांतर प्रयोजनम. So first Ajnana Nivritti happens, then Jnana Utpatti takes place, or first Jnana Utpatti, then Ajnana Nivritti?
Simultaneously.
Simultaneously means? See, Ajnanam is Bhavarupa. If a thing is Bhavarupa, Jnana Utpatti and Ajnana Nivritti are to be 2 events. If Ajnanam was Abhava Rupa, then Jnana Utpatti itself is called Ajnana Nivritti, because there is no such other thing called Ajnanam. But we say Ajnanam is Bhava Rupam in Vedanta. So that's why Chakara is there. Atmaikatwadi Vijnana Utpatti hi Ajnana Nivrittishcha. And that's why in Bhashyakar also said Yathatmya Prakashanena Atma Vishayam Swabhavikam Ajnanam Nivartayantaha Atmaikatwadi Vijnanam Utpadayanti. Like that. Means there are 2 things. if you say this is just for thinking, if you say first ajnana goes, then jnana comes, let us say, then jnana has virodha with ajnanam, will not be established. Because first ajnanam has gone, then jnanam has come. There is no virodha. If jnanam comes and ajnanam is still there at that time, then virodha you cannot establish. Why? Because there was a time when both coexisted. See, cat and mouse. Cat has to eat the mouse. Okay. Can cat eat the mouse when mouse is not there? No. Mouse has to exist. If mouse is also present, cat is also present, then cat is virodhi of mouse, cannot be established. So such questions they ask Vedantin. So we will say it happens together. It is not that ajnanam has come, jnanam has stayed. Even though, like in light and darkness, you see, only when light comes, then darkness will go. But it is not that light has come and darkness is slowly going now. Arrival of light itself is removal of darkness. In this way, we consider andhakara also as bhavarupa. In Nyaya, andhakara is bhavarupa padartha or abhavarupa padartha. Andhakara is only abhavarupa, because bhavarupa padarthas are only 6. Dravya guna karma samanya vishaya. And in that dravya, andhakara is not included. Prithvi, Jal, Tej, Vayu, ityadi. Therefore, Teja abhava is andhakara, according to them. Tika, you see further. Nivrittischa mantranam avantaram prayojanam. Ajnana nivritti is mantranam avantar prayojanam. Shokadi samsara uchittistu paramam prayojanam. Parama prayojana is shoka mohadi nivritti, samsara nivritti. Ajnana nivritti is avantaram. That is how Tippanikara has given. You can say it is one only. Ajnana nivritti itself is samsara nivritti. Then it will be one prayojana. Tal lipsuhu adhikari. Lipsu means obviously you should know what is lipsa. Lipsa means the one who has ichha. Tal lipsuhu, the one who has desire for samsara uchchitti, is the adhikari. So this is very simple. If you ask someone, do you have sadhan chatushtaya? Then he may say no. But do you want to get rid of samsara? What will be the answer? But you are adhikari. Tal lipsuhu. Then abhidheyam. Atma yathatmyam abhidheyam. Pratipadakattvadistu sambandha. Atma yathatmyam is abhidheyam. What is abhidheyam? No, here abhidheyam you see. First is prayojanam, then is adhikari, last one is sambandha. What is Abhideyam? Vishaya. So I didn't say, you said no. Four things are there. Means you don't need super intelligence to say what is Abhideyam. If Prayojanam is mentioned, Adhikari is mentioned, Sambandha is mentioned, what is Abhideyam? Fourth one. Vishaya. I have been studying Vedanta for how many years? So many years. This much you should know. Even if you answer this question, it is not a glory in that. Atma Yathatmyam is the Vishaya. Means the real nature of Atma is the Vishaya. And Pratipadakatvadihi is Sambandha. Means Pratipadya, Pratipadaka, Bhava is called Sambandha. Pratipadya, Pratipadaka, Bhava, Sambandha. What is Sambandha? So those who are new students, these things are discussed in Tattvabodha onwards. Okay? Vedanta Sara also is discussed. I will take one text where lot of these things will become clear, but it will be elaborate text. Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha will take. But for now, you understand Sadhana Chatushtaya, Anubandha Chatushtaya. In that, Sambandha is these mantra. They are the Pratipadaka or Pratipadya. These mantras are Pratipadaka. Of what? The Pratipadya Vishaya. Pratipadya is always Vishaya. Atma Yathatmya. So Anubandha Chatushtaya is also indicated. Last line in Bhashya you see. Ityevam उक्ताधिकारी अभिधेय संबंध प्रयोजनान मंत्रान संक्षेपतो व्याख्यास्यामः इति एवं उक्त अधिकारी अभिधेय संबंध प्रयोजनान मंत्रान. So these mantras who have adhikari abhideya sambandha prayojana, as it is said. As it is said means ukta. Ukta means what was said. So adhikari means you should understand the one who wants to be free from samsara. Abhideya is atma ekatva yathatmya. Sambandha is, see, Bhashyakar didn't elaborate, but he says this is the Sambandha. Mantras will remove your samsara. Somebody says, I studied mantras, samsara did not go. So what should that person understand? Let us say somebody studies, samsara doesn't go. Means he feels, I am still samsari. So this is what should happen. When I understand these mantras, they are talking about my Swarupa, where there is no Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Karana Sharira. Samsara is seen in Sukshma Sharira. Where is Shoka? In Atma or Sukshma Sharira? Sukshma Sharira. Where is Moha? Sukshma Sharira. Where is Kama, Krodha? Sukshma Sharira. Where is Sansaranam? Sukshma Sharira. So when a person says, I studied mantras, Sansara has not gone. Sansara is there in Sukshma Sharira. Mantras are talking about the Swarupa of Atma. I mentioned this in Anubhuti Prakasha. 6 Urmis are talked about in Anubhuti Prakasha. What are they? Shoka Moha, Jara Mrityu and Ashana Pipasa. So for a Jnani, Jara Mrityu will go? Jara Mrityu will continue. He will become old and his body will die. Hunger and thirst will go? may feel more hungry because his mind is not worried about the world anymore. So when there is bhandara, he will happily eat and he can go to another bhandara from here to there to there. Well, he says, I am not worried about anything. He doesn't have to, but hunger, thirst will not go. So jara mrityu will not go, hunger, thirst will not go. Shoka moha. Shoka moha also, just as other problems, urmis are there, even if these two are there, he says, they are not in me. If somebody says, then what is the difference between jnani and ajnani? Jnani also has everything, ajnani also has everything. What is the difference? Ajnani doesn't know that these are not in me. Jnani knows that these are not in me. This is the main difference. And if jnani has done other sadhanas and he can keep his mind calm, that is his plus. That he doesn't get deluded like others. Dhiras tatra na muhyati. So even dhira will not have moha. What to talk of jnani? So if sadhan chatushtaya is there in good measure, if you have withdrawn from samsara to significant extent, you will not be disturbed by anything because you don't have things which will disturb you. You will know that any challenges that are coming, they are only for ahankara. That is why earlier itself it was said that ahankara abhimani will say sukham me syat, dukham me ma bhut. That vakya we saw. It is all for ahankara abhimani. So if you feel that after studying Ishavasya mantra, I will never have shoka moha in my life, I will not have jara mrityu in my life, I will not have hunger thirst in my life, it will not happen. But you will have to actively remember that these are not me. Naiva kinchit karomiti. These are all indriyani, indriyartheshu vartante. अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ता अहम इति मन्यते. In this way you have to remember that व्याख्या संक्षेपतः व्याख्यास्यामः. व्याख्यास्यामः, भगवान भाष्यकार doesn't say अहम व्याख्यामि. He gives बहुवचनम. वयम व्याख्यास्यामः. Means I am not doing only my explanation, I am not giving only that. Whatever I have learned from earlier Acharya's commentaries, that also I am presenting what is in line with Advaita. That part. Now we begin with the mantra. Om Ishavashyamidam Sarvam यत्किंच जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीथा मा गृधः कस्य स्विद्धनम्. Ishavasyam idam sarvam. Actually, this has become very famous part. Ishavasyam or Ishavasyam idam sarvam, like this. Idam sarvam, whatever is understood as idam, all of that should be Isha Vasyam. Isha is Tritiya Ekvachan. By Ishvara, means by Brahma. Ishvara here means by Brahma. By that, Brahmana Vasyam, that Brahma is not different from Atma. Therefore, everything should be pervaded by Atma. Brahma is not different from Atma, so everything should be pervaded by Atma. Everything should be pervaded by Atma means I should understand everything is me in my Swarupa, my higher nature is all this. Not that I am a person, there is world, by God I should pervade the world, I should remain away. That is not Atma Yathatmya Prakashana. I pervade this world. Just like rope pervades the snake. So in Rajju, Sarpa is not existing. There is only Sarpa Bhranti. In the same way, I pervade the world means world is a Bhranti in me. In me means in which me? Aham pada lakshyartha. This buddhi does not stay. This jnanam does not remain. I immediately come back to aham means this shariravan. Sthula Sukshma Karana Shariravan. Aham means the one in whom this world is appearing. Just like in me, the individual, Swapna appears, Swapna Jagat. Like that, in me, the Atma, non-different from Brahma, Jagat appears. This Buddhi should become my wisdom. This Jnanam should become my wisdom. Not that this Jnanam is there only when Grantha is available. When Pravachan is going on at that time, I understand and then I forget. This is what is needed. Otherwise, that Jnanam is not staying with me, then I become samsari. Now, to hold on to this, what do I need? That you know already. So, if somebody says, do I need lot of other Vishaya Jnanam? See, it is not needed. But if I cannot retain this wisdom and my buddhi goes here, there, then it is said you study. You increase your punya karma. You reduce your vikshepas. You stay away from society. Because every time you see somebody, I'll tell you, stay away from your phone. This is the best thing you have to do. You don't initiate any messages. There is no world apart from, like in Vivek Chudamani said, Nahyastya vidya manasotirikta. Mano hi avidya bhavabandha hetu. Instead of manaha, you put this phone. There is no other ignorance other than this phone. This is your bhavabandha hetu now, this phone. Because for some people, those who don't have distinction between phone and mind, whatever thought comes, they will send message. They will never pause. Garbage is here, garbage will come. And the wonderful thing they will say, Swamiji, I don't talk to anybody in the world except you. As if it is punishment for me. Swamiji, I don't message anybody else. You are the only one. So then whatever garbage is there in their head, I only have to see. Because they don't have anything else to do. This is where samsara keeps appearing after studying also. So we don't know how to block this. This is, you block yourself. It is the best thing. Because otherwise somebody else will block you. What else? In this there is a feature called block the person. So, whatever is known as idam. When we say idam means aham, ahankara is also drishya. Idam means drishya. For atma drashta, ahankara is also drishya. So that drishya is also ishavasya. Yatkincha jagatyam jagat. Now what all things, so this is just explanation of that. Yatkincha, whatever that is known. Where jagatyam. So in this jagat, jagati saptam will become jagatyam. In other words, in the world, whatever is seen as sthavara and jangama. The jagatyam here they have translated as Bhashyakara Pruthivyam. In Prithvi means anywhere, whichever place you are in. If somebody says, I will end up in Gandharva Loka because I do too much Sangeeta ityadi. Other you go there also will have to do this one. Tena tyaktena bhunjitha. So anything that is moving, non-moving, in whichever way you classify, anything that is vyakta, avyakta, how it is given in satchatyacha bhavat, anything that niruktam, aniruktam, nilayanam, anilayanam, vijnanam cha, vijnanam cha, whatever, whichever way you classify, everything should be Ishavasya. And the glory of Tyaga is given. That unless you renounce means unless you give up Nama Rupa, Abhimana, for yourself and for the Padartha, you will not be at peace. You will not be able to protect yourself. Bhunjithaha means palayataha. Bhashyakar will say in Bhashya. So if you want to protect yourself, means if you want to protect your wisdom, this jnanam, if you want to protect, not let something happen and the jnanam is gone, what should you do? Protect this jnanam by giving up Namarupa. So Namarupa Abhimana for myself also should not be there. Any Namarupa Abhimana or identity I should not have. There I should have Vairagya. So this Tyaga is sometimes also translated as Sannyasa or Vairagya. By that you protect yourself. Magradaha, and don't have any greed. Gridhi means greed. Kasyasvit dhanam. So this Kasyasvit dhanam is sometimes separated also. Svit is Nipada. Kasya dhanam. Whose wealth is it after all? Means all these kings and empires, dynasties have come and gone. Nobody has kept anything with them. So everything and all those palaces will also remain. After some time they will become Khandahara. Khandahara means dilapidated, all worn out. So don't go on having this abhimana about things. Don't have greed for more things. I have this, but I want this, I want that. You are not going to take anything from here. And sometimes, we feel we are healthy, everything is good, life is going on fine, I can have more. You never know when things will be all final. Even if things don't go, all we hear, there is some cancer, there is some this, that, over. After that, there is no desire to enjoy anything in life. It is just one matter of something is paining here, there, you go for doctor's report and over. So don't think that this is you, this body is you. Okay, this is the general description of mantra. Bhashya and Tika we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.